Welcome. In front of me is a REALME GT Neo 3 and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you'll want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this. So once your content is open and visible, simply hold power key and the volume down at the same time. You'll have the sound along with the pop-up right here, giving you two options: scroll or share. Now when it comes down to scroll option, it is only accessible in content that can be scrolled, like settings. So if you can scroll it down, you can capture a long version of the screenshot, as you can see. You can also tap on it to stop it from scrolling, and you can grab it yourself and scroll down however far you want to. Click on done, check mark, and this will then save it. Now both of those screenshots that I have just captured can be found in the Photos or Gallery application. There we go. So we have Photos, and you can see it right here. So there is a scrollable one, and here's just a normal screenshot. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.